Sola brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today topic is atomic structure. Structure of atom can be explained by the John Dalton, J. Thomson, Rutherford and Bohr model. We have to explain one by one. Structure of atom can be explained by the first one, John Dalton. Model. Second one, J. Thomson. Model. Next one, Rutherford. Model. Last one, Bohr's model. First one, John Dalton model. According to this model, matter is made up of very minute, indivisible particle. This name is called atom, which is taking part to the chemical reaction. In Greek word, atoms nothing but indivisible. Atom can be neither created nor destroyed. Atom cannot be further subdivided. Atoms of different elements combine in simple ratio and form the compounds. Mass of combined element represented as mass of combined atom. According to John Dalton model, atom is a indivisible substance. Limitation. It could not explain how atoms of different elements differ with each other. This is point number one. Another one important point, it could not explain internal structure of atom. The internal structure of atom explained by the another scientist J. Thomson. This name is called J. Thomson model of atom. According to J. Thomson model of atom assumed to be consist of sphere of uniform or spherical shape. Its ratio, that is a radius, 10 power minus 10 meter, in which the positive charge uniformly distributed in the sphere. Another one, electron embedded in the sphere. Conclusion, here number of electrons will be equal to number of protons. Atom holds electrically neutral. This name is called plum-pudding model or watermelon model or rice and pudding model. Another one, limitation. According to J. Thomson model, he could not explain cold foil scattering experiment by the Rutherford. Scattering of alpha particle experiment can be explained by the Rutherford model. That is a Rutherford nuclear model. According to this model, atom of element consists of positive charge in the center. This name is called a nucleus. Most of the alpha particles pass through the cold foil in the straight line. Some of the alpha particles deflected uniformly, like that. Some of the alpha particles completely bounced, return back. In that, number of electron should be equal to number of proton in the nucleus. Whole atoms electrically neutral. Most of the space in the atom should be empty. Another one, limitation. This diagram explains for the atom in which electron revolve around the nucleus in the fixed path. It can be emit the radiation and loss energy. Finally, this electron trapped to the nucleus. Result of this experiment, atoms can be collapsed. It can be fail to explain stability of atoms. Understood? That is a Rutherford nuclear model. Atom of element consists of positive charge in the center. This name is called a nucleus. Most of the alpha particle pass through the cold foil in the straight line. Some of the alpha particles uniformly deflected from the straight line path. Some few particles completely bounce back. In that, number of electron in orbit should be equal to number of proton in the nucleus. Here, whole atoms electrically neutral. Most of the space in atom should be empty. Limitation: for an atom, electron revolve around the nucleus in the fixed path. It can be emit the radiation and energy. Finally, trapped through the nucleus. Result from the atoms can be collapsed. It could not be explained stability of atom according to the Rutherford model of nuclear atom. Stability of atom can be explained by the Bohr model of atoms. Bohr model of atom can be explained by the stability of atom. For an atom, electron revolve around the nucleus in the fixed path or stationary circular path. This name is called orbit or energy level or major energy level or quantum number. The orbit or cell can be designated by K, L, M, N. N nothing but quantum number. Understood? Here, energy of electron does not change with time. Here, the electron revolve around the nucleus in the fixed path. Its energy remains constant. It does not lose energy or gain of energy. But electron move from lowest energy level to higher energy level. Some amount of energy absorbed by the electron. Same electron return to the original state, some amount of energy lost. The energy change does not take place continuous manner. This name is called Bohr's model of atom. Here, orbit nearest to the nucleus, this name is called K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell. This can be explained the formula. Number of subcell in main cell. Nothing but N. That is a small n. Small n nothing but energy level or orbit or quantum number. Number of orbitals in main cell. N square. Number of electrons in main cell. Two n square. This formula very important, may be asked in the 1 mark in theory or NEET, etc. Here listen, number of subcell in main cell, that is a small n, number of orbital in the main cell should be equal to n squared, number of electron in the main cell should be equal to 2n squared. For example, n nothing but principal quantum number or orbit or energy level or major energy level. N nothing but lowest number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Cell K, L, M, N, etc. Number of electron in the first cell 2 electron, 8 electron, 18 electron, 32 electron. This all the value obtained from this formula. For example, n is equal to 1, that is a 2 electron. N is equal to 2, 2 squared 4, 4 into 2, 8 electron, like that remaining. Here, the number of electron present in the main cell or orbit or major energy level. Next, number of electron present in the subcell, that is a location of electron in the subcell. Point number 1, number of orbitals in subcell. L plus 1. Number of electron in subcell. 2 into 2l plus 1. This can be explained one by one. For example, n nothing but principal quantum number, l nothing but azimuthal quantum number, another one, number of electron, number of subcell. Here n nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. L nothing but azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number depends upon the principal quantum number. Here least value 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Number of electrons. Here how many electron possible? Here 2 electron, 6 electron, 10 electron, 14 electron possible. Number of subcell. S subcell, P subcell, D subcell, F subcell. In the S subcell, how many orbitals are present? Only one orbital. What is the formula? Number of orbital in subcell. Suppose L value 0, remaining how many? Only one orbital. L value 0, meaning how many subcell? Only one subcell. How many orbital? Only one orbital. L value 1 means here 3 orbital. In the B subcell, totally 3 orbital, common electron, 6 electron. Another one is L value 2. L value 2 means totally 5 orbital in the D subcell. Likewise, F subcell totally 7 orbital, common electron, 14 electron, D subcell common electron, 10 electron, P subcell common electron, 6 electron, S subcell is a 2 electron. This electron present in the subcell, that is a location of electron present in the subcell. What is the formula? Number of orbital in the subcell should be equal to 2L plus 1. Number of electron in the subcell should be equal to 2 into 2L plus 1. This explained by the Pohrs model. Pohrs model explain stability of atom. Another one, limitation. Pohrs model of atom explains stability of atom. This one applicable for hydrogen-like species. Such as helium plus, lithium 2 plus, beryllium 3 plus, etc. because it contains the only one electron. Pohrs model could not explain spectral line for the multi-electron species. Another one, discovery of neutrons. Neutron discovered by the James Chadwick. When beryllium atoms or nuclei bombarded with alpha ray and form carbon and neutron. For example, beryllium, atomic number 4, mass number 9, alpha particles helium 2, 4 and form the carbon 6, 12 neutron. Beryllium atom bombarded with alpha particle and form the carbon and neutron. In chemical reaction, the number of various atom of element should be balanced on the both side, reactant side and the product side. In nuclear reaction, total mass number and atomic number should be balanced on the both side. 9 plus 4, 13. 12 plus 1, 13. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. These are neutron. It is a neutral particle. It is a mass 1.67 in 10 power minus 27 kg. It is a neutral particles present in the all atom except hydrogen or proton. Discovery of neutron by the James Chadwick. This one obtained by the beryllium nuclei bombarded with the alpha ray and form the carbon and a neutron. Here, neutron is a neutral particle. It is a mass 1.67 in 10 power minus 27 kg. It is a neutral particle, that is a fundamental particles present in the all types of atom except hydrogen or proton. This is a neutral particle being unstable. This can be decomposed or decay will be neutron being unstable and form the proton and electron. In the nuclear reaction, total mass number and atomic numbers will be balanced on the both sides. 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, here minus 1. This can be explained by the decay of the neutron. Next, characteristics of fundamental particles. Atoms made up of number of particles in which orbital is a path by which electron revolve around the nucleus in the fixed path. Here, atom of element which carrying the positive charge in the center, this name is called nucleus. Nucleus consists of proton plus neutron. This name is called nucleon. What are the particles? Particles, electron, proton and neutron. These are the stable fundamental particles discovered by electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. In the year 1887. Proton discovered by Goldstein. In the year 1907. Neutron discovered by James Chadwick in the year 1932. Next, symbol. Electron symbol E -10. Proton symbol H11. Neutron symbol N01. Next, mass in kg. Mass of the electron 9.1 in 10 power minus 31. Mass of proton and mass of neutron should be same, 1.67 in 10 power minus 27. These are the stable fundamental particles. What are the stable fundamental particles? Electron, proton, neutron. Electron discovered by the J.J. Thomson, proton discovered by the Goldstein, neutron discovered by the James Chadwick. Electron symbol E -1 0, proton symbol H 1 1, neutron symbol N 0 1. Electron mass 9.1 10 power minus 31, proton and neutron mass 1.67 in 10 power minus 27. Some more unstable particle present in the nucleus, this name is called meson, positron, neutrino, antineutrino, antiproton, antineutron, etc. Next, we are discuss about mass number and atomic number. This represented by X, Z, A. X nothing but symbol of element. Z nothing but atomic number. Here, number of electron should be equal to number of proton. A nothing but mass number. This nothing but total number of protons plus neutrons. These are the representation of mass number and atomic number. Now, knowing the mass number and atomic number, we can find out the number of neutrons. A minus H. For example, Mg is the symbol of magnesium, atom number 12, mass number 24. By using, we can find out the number of electron, number of proton, number of neutron. First, we can find out number of electron. Is a atomic number nothing but number of electrons should be equal to number of proton. Number of electron 12. Number of proton also 12. Next, number of neutron. What is the formula for to find out the number of neutron? Neutrons should be equal to A minus Z. A nothing but mass number, Z nothing but atomic number. So 24 minus 12, that is 12. Another one example, Na. Na is a symbol of sodium, atomic number 11, mass number 23. Number of electron should be equal to 11. Number of proton should be equal to 11. Number of neutron should be equal to 23 minus 11 is a 12. So, number of electron, number of proton, number of neutron present in the atom of element may be asked the 1 mark in both NEET and theory. This can be explained by one. Let us recap the structure of atom. Structure of atom can be explained by the John Dalton. He could not explain internal structure of atom. Another one, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson, it could not explain cold foil scattering experiment by the Rutherford. Rutherford model could not explain stability of atoms. Another one, Bohr's model. Bohr's model does not explain multi-electron species of the nucleus. It can be explained single electron species. Another one, number of subcell in main cell formula N Number of orbital in the main cell formula n square. Number of electron in the main cell 2n square. Number of orbital in the subcell 2l plus 1. Number of electron in the subcell 2 into 2l plus 1. You have to practice all the concept and formulas and element and get highest mark. Good luck.